My name's Rochelle and I'm an AcuEnergetics practitioner and co-owner of AcuEnergetics. I want to share with you today just a little about AcuEnergetics to answer some of the common questions we hear. Well, it's a treatment modality that works with the electricity in the body to promote faster, natural healing. Well, it works on the basis that pain and illness are congested electricity, and if we can get that electricity moving again, then the body can start to heal. We use a technique called resonance to create a low resistance field of electricity, which then generates movement in the electrical channels of the body. Once the static electricity starts to move again and flow, then the body can start to heal. We use precise points on the body to restore this natural energy flow and eliminate pain, speed healing, and promote good health. The types of people that come to see us are wide and varied, from doctors, lawyers, athletes, actors, business people, mums and dads, all sorts. Most people come on referral from a friend who had a successful treatment with us. We've also had many famous, well-known personalities over the years, as well as professional sports people. In terms of what AcuEnergetics can treat, there's a wide range of complaints that we've had success in treating over the past 20 years. We see lots of back pain, neck and knee pain, chronic pain in general, fertility issues as well, chronic fatigue, migraines, anxiety and depression. We help to keep the body strong through people going through cancer, and also help with everyday injuries like bruises, swelling and burns. We've had great results with all these things. Also, because we look at treating the body from a completely unique and different approach to most, we often find that if you've got something that maybe you've seen a lot of other health practitioners for without much improvement, then trying this might be a pleasant surprise for you, since we often have positive results with people with these either long-standing complaints or very complicated issues. In terms of what happens in a session, first we talk to you about why you've come and find out a little bit about you and your health. Then we start your treatment, during which you remain fully clothed at all times. You'll then either sit in a chair or lay down on a treatment table, depending on what we're treating on the day. We'll then start to work with the bioelectrical flows in your body, the ones that are causing you problems. Our approach is really restore flow, restore function. This is really about improving the bioelectrical flow in order to ease pain and improve movement and functions. We work with specific points and channels in the body, as well as organs and even parts of the brain sometimes. Sometimes we work entirely without touching you, while at other times we might gently place our hands on your body. In any case, it's all completely painless. Sometimes people feel very accurately what we are doing with the electricity while we're treating you, while others don't really much at all. Whether you feel something or not has nothing to do with the effectiveness of your treatment. This idea is really not that new. It's done thousands of years ago. People back then understood, how integral the electrical system of the body was to our health. But this has been long lost over time. And this is our goal, to really bring this back and let people know how incredible the electrical system is in the body. AcuEnergetics was founded by Niv Farrow, and it combines 40 years of his own research and understanding with knowledge from ancient Chinese, Middle Eastern, Indian and Judaic texts. The result is a modern treatment modality backed by thousands of years of wisdom. So if you're interested in a treatment for yourself or someone close to you, please reach out, get in touch, and I'll be happy to chat with you more, answer your questions. Thanks for listening.